So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strikes. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Kali training collection. It is from our single stick drills. It's to help you with your fighting combinations, coordinations, and flow. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you once again, and have a great day.
Okay, the last drill in this series, drill number 10. We're going to come through. Angle 1, angle 2. Forehand, backhand, downward vertical strike. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strikes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strikes. Let's do it for reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.